Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy XRP on a trading 212, and there's going to be a full guide I made for you. Just note, okay, first of all, before we begin, I don't want to lie to you like other people. Trading 212 does not actually directly support the purchase of XRP, but there's a way you can still get exposure to XRP using trading 212 or through this alternative steps we have for you. So option one is indirect exposure via ETNs. If those are available, so you just log into Trading 212, right? You open the app or you go to the website, sign into your invest account, and you search for XRP ETN, okay? Which are the exchange traded notes. In the search bar, you just type XRP or Ripple. And if an XRP related ETN, like for example 21 shares or coin shares is listed, it will actually show up. You just go ahead and buy that ETN, right? You just enter the amount, you tap on it, buy, place your order, okay? And then another way we have is using another platform to buy the XRP, because if that does not support it, then you use another method, right? You can use it on a crypto exchange. There you have, for example, Binance, there's KuCoin, Uphold, Crypto.com. Just complete the KYC process, know your customer, fund your account, and just buy the XRP, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this of value to you, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.